This is your challenge first. I want you to read this and then try to say it to Jeremy.
Jalami?
Yeah,
Jalami?
Jeremy.
Oh, Jeremy. Jeremy, 안녕.
Yeah.
안녕.
Jeremy 안녕.
Janan.
Kind of, yeah.
Janun.
저는.
Chonen. Oh, sorry, it's a kind
Jonen.
of a Jonen. Gun. Gosh, Korean's hard.
Yeah.
한국말?
Yeah.
Hey, all right. Ugo.
Yeah, that's right.
Ugo. Pay as you go. Sipayo.
Yes. 배우고 싶어요.
Sipoyo.
Yeah, but you got that's close enough. Okay. 배우고 comes from the verb 배우다, which means to learn. I'll give you a hint. One.
Let me give you. What's 5 plus 5? Let me give you a hint. It's 10. I want to learn Korean.
Yeah. All right, let's go down and use it to Jeremy.
Jeremy, 안녕. 저는 한국말 배우고 싶어요.
What did he say, Jeremy?
I don't know.
Okay, let's keep working.
I can't even get the validation of a 3-year-old.
This up on somewhere. What are you doing?
Just look at, oh, her book says Hangul.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you can read that. Welcome back to another episode where I try to teach my brother Korean. Last time we did some new grammar and some new phrases. I'm just wondering, before we do a review, do you remember any of the phrases or grammar that we learned last time?
No.
Okay, well, let me see if I can refresh your memory. We learned how to say hello.
Yeah, that I
Okay.
remember.
Nice to meet you.
No, don't remember that whole
Okay.
phrase.
Yes and no.
Yeah, I remember.
Okay. I
Yeah.
think you remember that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got that. My.
Yeah.
Maybe,
Kind of the
okay.
possessive.
I speak a little Korean. Do you remember that?
I forgot the word for little.
Okay. And then thank you.
Yeah, I remember that.
We also learned about a few verbs. Exercise or study.
Uh-huh.
To go.
Yeah.
And to eat.
Yeah.
And then I want to do something.
Yeah.
So you've only been studying technically only for 2 hours.
Yeah.
I think for 2 hours, your 2 hours you've done like really well though.
All right,
So
thanks.
yeah, since it's only been 2 hours that he's been learning, we didn't really feel it'd be good idea to just keep going and just keep cramming new stuff on top. So today instead is going to be more like a review of what you've already learned so far. And I was thinking we would do a bit of a quiz for cash prize, as in I would buy you lunch if you get the quiz right.
I like that.
So we're not gonna have a 1 hour time limit. Before we start though, I wanted to ask you, like, how do you best study? How you study is also really important. I've seen a lot of people that they'll like watch video lessons from really good sources or read good books, but then they don't know how to study. They end up kind of like learning everything out of order. I'm just curious, like, what kind of studier are you? Because you have like straight A's, I think, in school typically.
I studied French for 3 years in high school and then 4 years in college, and my study habits are the following. You can't stop practicing. There is no such thing as bad practice. Even if you're just listening to it, it's gonna take a good few months of tuning your ear just to hear the sound. So even just listening to music, look up the lyrics, and then listen to the music, and side by side get a visual, auditorial learning at the same time, and that can help you absorb it pretty quickly. Audiobooks would also be extremely helpful. One of the best ways I learned French was just having my book open and listening to my teacher read it. And I would just put the sounds together of, oh, that word sounds like this one sounds like this. Vocabulary is important, but I chose to let my speakers tell me my vocabulary. So I'd have a notebook, and if I heard a word they said that I didn't understand, I'd write that down. That way what I was learning was actually relevant to what was being talked about. I also visited France for a little bit too. I don't know if you even knew that.
Yeah, I remember you went on the France high school trip.
Yeah.
I wanted to go on, but I didn't get to. Mom was like, well, I already failed with him, so maybe I'll at least help his little brother.
One of my friends who speaks 9 languages, 5 of them fluently, gave me his best piece of advice, and he said, just copy and paste. If you hear something, repeat it back exactly as you heard it. So just if you hear a native say it one way, go with it, repeat it.
The other issue with learners is motivation. I see a lot of people get started and they're really excited when they started because they're learning something new, and they'll study for like 10 minutes and now you know like 5 new phrases, and a lot of people just give up as soon as it gets hard.
languages, I think your motivation should be what you want to say. What do I actually want to talk about? What do I tend to go on about? Like, all right, I'll probably end up talking about music because I like music, and I should probably learn phrases for that I dance, and and where I learned to dance, and that I was on a college company for a couple years, and that I listened to a lot of Michael Jackson, and talk about my family. So dig into what you really like.
It's good to have something you want. Oh, I really want to be able to talk about this, or I really want to do this. If not just, I really want to learn Korean. Like, that's really vague.
I don't even want to know English. I just want to talk to people.
Yeah. For you, then, what would be your goal? What would you want for Korean?
My goal would be to introduce myself properly, formally, and then talk about myself. Talk about what I like to do.
So for today, we're only going to be learning a little bit of new stuff, and that is, it's really only one phrase that we'll learn today.
좋아해요.
Yeah. So normally the verb would be 좋아하다, which just means to like something.
So you have to get rid of the da.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
That's right. Yeah.
I remember that. Okay.
You remove the ta, and then this hada actually becomes heyo. So if you wanted to say I like something, you'd say what it is you like, followed by 좋아해요. The other thing we're going to learn today is attach this before 좋아해요.
On.
Yeah.
an.
If you say 안 좋아해요, that means you don't like something.
Oh, okay.
If I told you the word for cheese is cheese.
No, we're gravitating towards the cheese under the table. It's like, why do we learn these phrases? And it's like a law of nature that you have to gravitate towards the cheese.
So, how would you say that you don't like cheese? If I told you cheese is 치즈.
Jiju. What is it? Chi?
Yeah, chi. That's like the
so
the
like
hard.
cheese.
Yeah.
Chi. It just sounds like cheese. So chonen cheese.
I think you're reading this one wrong.
I mean, if you flip it upside down, it kind of looks like go. Are there any words in Korean that, like, if you write them one way and you flip them upside down, that it's like a
there's
what
a lot
are they called? An anagram in English? An anagram would be like you start. Well, I always cheat by writing it out this way. Alex.
I guess so.
I don't know. It's not a very good one, but there's better ones.
So we'll try it one more time. It's like our 25th attempt.
Like chonen chiju.
Yeah. That's
An.
right. Yes, that's right. So close.
Heo.
No.
Heyo.
Okay, go ahead. Try again.
Jonun.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, so far so good. Jonun chiju an 좋아해요.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
That's all the new stuff we're doing today. So I've got this. It looks like a lot. It's $11.
All right.
If you get an answer correct, you get $1.
All right, cool.
Or if you get an answer wrong,
Let me see how much I got. Do you take debit?
it's only stuff that you've learned already, but this will be a review/quiz, so we'll see how you can do. So the very first question is, pronounce this word.
한국인.
Yes. Okay, you got it right. Yes. It was a test to see if you remember that this or any letter before this letter here, like, flows through it when you say it. And you did. You said 한국인 correctly. Okay. So,
yay!
the first one. See how long that lasts. The next one is, this is actually the word for Chinese. How would you read this word?
중국말.
Close.
중국말?
Yeah. 중국말.
Yeah, it kind of became a lot softer.
All right. I've got high hopes for you. The next question is, so if I tell you that the verb for to go is 가다, write the following sentence in Korean. I want to go.
Okay. I forgot how to spell sheep. Oh, wait, sheepara. Sheepara?
Don't say, that sounds like a swear word.
A mandatory correction.
Sheepoyo. Okay, no.
No.
You wrote jeep yo. That means it's a house. First you have to take the verb stem, so remove the ta.
Okay.
So 가다 would become 가고. And then sheepo. And then yo. All right, next question. Here's a difficult one.
Well, that wasn't.
I want to study Korean. 공부하다 is the verb for
공부하.
to study. And you remember the word for Korean?
한국말.
Yeah.
한국말. Okay.
So that's the word for Korean. So now you want to say, I want to study Korean.
Okay. 저는 한국말 공부하고
Yeah.
싶어요.
공부하고 싶어요. Yes, you got it right. 저는 한국말 공부하고 싶어요. I want to study Korean. Okay.
Yeah,
Nice.
what he said. Yeah.
Okay, next question. Okay, do you know what this word is?
한국. No.
It's Korea.
한국.
So 한국 just means Korea. This means Korean food. So how would you say, I like Korean food?
I Korean food like.
Yeah.
저는 한국 음식가.
No.
I forgot. You want to talk about motivation to learn Korean? Get someone to give you money. 좋아요?
Yeah, 좋아해요.
좋아해요.
So,
That
yeah.
does sound familiar.
Okay. You're close, except for missing the whole verb at the end. So now this is a choose the correct answer. Okay, which one of these means nice to meet you?
안녕하세요.
Means
Hello.
okay.
To meet you? I hope so.
Final answer.
Yeah.
반갑습니다 is nice to meet you.
반갑습니다.
Yeah, 안녕하세요
That sounds-
is hello. Next is choose the correct word.
Wait, I gotta get out of one of my own dollars just in case.
Which word means the Korean alphabet?
Okay, 한국말, the top one.
Final answer.
Yes.
Remember my video, Learn Hangul?
I gotta get another dollar out.
Which one would you use if you're saying I?
Okay. All day it's been this one, so I'm gonna go with 저는.
Okay, yes, you're correct.
So I'll keep that one out just in case I miss.
This one is, you have to choose which one is your name and which one is my name.
Okay. Oh, that would be Billy.
Okay.
So Billy.
Maybe this
Billy.
was too easy.
No, it's completely fair.
All right.
Alexis. Yes.
Okay, you get one back. Next question is, you have to read a sentence and tell me if it's true or false. What is the average airspeed of an unladen swallow?
Okay. 조의 이름 알렉스
Okay.
입니다.
Yeah.
입니다. I'm gonna go with true. I'm gonna go with
okay.
true.
Why do you think true?
My name, Alex.
Yeah.
입니다.
입니다 is like is.
Is.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, you got it right
All right.
anyway.
Okay, cool. Yeah,
Okay.
yay.
All right.
All right.
Okay. Is this sentence true or false for you?
한국. Wait, it's alphabet.
No,
No,
한국.
한국. That's Korea.
That's right, yeah.
Korea. 한국. Okay, 음식. 망고. Oh, 마고. Is that right?
Kind of.
먹고.
Is it true or false?
먹고 싶어요. Want to go to Korea?
Well, what's this word again? No, stop. Don't go any farther. I'm gonna cut that out.
I want to eat Korea? I got a short-term memory problem with this.
Korean umshik is food.
Food, Korean food.
Okay, what's a food that you don't like?
How about quinoa? I'm just not a fan.
Is it quinoa or quinoa?
Quinoa.
Okay, is this sentence true or false?
Alexa. So Alex.
Yeah.
Quinoa. 좋아요.
Yeah.
So that's false because I don't want quinoa.
All right.
Yay!
Your prize for today is $2, so I'll buy you lunch today with $2.
Yay! How do you say two in Korea?
We'll learn that next time.
Okay.
Okay, so that's all for the quiz today, and I'm actually going to be going to Korea in just a few weeks from now. So we're going to be taking a break from these lessons. So Alex will have to use these videos as his review. When we come back, if you guys want to see Alex learning more Korean, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys again next time. 그럼 다음에 또 봐.
그럼 다음에 또 봐.